Would you ever resort to using AI in court? And can a computer that's self-aware keep you from the electric chair? A robot is going to advise a defendant in court for the first time ever next month. Amazing. But that's nothing. Steve Doocy has been at Fox for 25 years. Wow, I didn't even know that was coming. Actually, the so-called lawyer is just an AI chatbot smartphone app that listens to everything going on in the courtroom and then tells the defendant what to say via an earpiece. This is technology I could definitely use when I space out on the 5 listening to Jesse Waters. Its creator says it could one day replace lawyers because it's all about having a mastery of legal language, and that's what they charge hundreds of dollars an hour to do. The company that created the app is called Do Not Pay, which is also what I said when they hired Kat. It was originally developed by a Stanford student in 2015 to fight parking tickets. And trust me, that's way easier than seducing all those meter maids, right? Those carts have a very tight back seat. Kat, this is amazing. Imagine having this thing like your phone, and every legal question, you just put it in there because it has every case ever. It can make better decisions than any judge or any lawyer.
Yeah, well, that's why the government will stop it or influence it, because there would be some government regulation there. And then at least in the case of a criminal case, your representation would actually be influenced by the prosecution.
Interesting. I don't know what she said there.
I don't know.
Because I was looking at my notes, but I think the way she said it was pretty smart. All right, Murray, here's the thing.
That's the best I'll get.
Yeah, but it's good. It was a compliment. Here's the thing. I think they're doing it already with medicine. It's like they compile every study ever into a database, right? And then if they take a picture of your mole, they can submit it, and it can go, and all of a sudden they go, nope, the mole's non-cancerous. If you have all the information ever in the history of the world in one spot, that's better than 4 years of med school. It's better than law school. It's better than anything.
Well, this is really good news in general, because everyone talks about, like, automation. They always say, oh, it's going to take jobs from, like, truckers and things like this. If it could only take all the jobs from the lawyers.
Yes.
There's so many things. There's so many things I love about this country, but one of the things I love the least is there are too many damn lawyers.
Yes, exactly.
Too many lawyers. And if we can make lawyers automated, you know, life would just be that much better.
You think that the AI lawyers better than Trump's lawyers?
Oh, for sure. For sure.
You think the AI lawyers are better than Merrick Garland?
Yes.
I mean, it's even money, yes.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm all for it. Count me in.
Yeah, I agree. Tyrus?
Oh, I love this for the very simple fact, information. You could, you know, but there's also a downside. Like every time you tell your story and your AI goes, guilty. Trust me, plead out. Like, but no, I want to do this, I want to do this. You might want to go with a person because you did that.
That's so true, because a sleazy lawyer would say, don't tell me.
Yeah, or even if they do, we'll try to work an angle on it. You know,
Yes.
Best case, you get a documentary.
Yeah.
You know?
It's better than
The other side, but here's the downside is that the justice system has a lot of time favored the wealthy. This would put an end to that.
Right.
Because when you have arguments and there's no emotion, you know, and then what you can't say it was a racist decision anymore. You know, because all the AI stuff will be built by poor, tiny brown and yellow children in China and Africa. So its roots are not, so there'll be no white supremacy able to get in there.
Yeah.
So, it's like fair. I think it's fair. I like it.
This is the answer to everything. All right, where am I?